In this video, I'll show you how you can go through and turn off your always on display on your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, doing this is actually very basic, and it really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over into your settings application. Now, when you do that, you'll come into this page. Now, what you want to do here is you basically want to go and scroll down until you find a little option that says display. So it should say display and brightness. All you're going to want to do here is you want to tap on that little option right there, and it'll take you into this next page. Now, all you're going to want to do here is you basically want to go and scroll down until you see a little option that says something like always on display. So now all you want to do here is you want to tap onto always on display. And then what you want to do is this always on display option that comes up right here. You want to go ahead and toggle this off. So now all that's going to happen is this particular toggle is going to go ahead and turn off. And then all you're going to have to do is basically shut your phone off, and you'll see that the always on display will no longer be there. So now if you want, you can go and just tap on your display to go and turn it on. If you want to turn it back on, you can go back into your settings, turn it on like this, and you will see that the always on display will then be turned back on. But that's basically how you do it. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.